Alright, YouTube, I'm doing a quick little EDC update. First thing we got the wallet. Just your standard wallet there. And I also carry a Kershaw Workman with the assist open. These are awesome knives. I use it for cutting rope and stuff like that at my job. I also carry a Husky box knife. There. I mean, it's just standard box knife. And in my back pocket, I carry a Smith & Wesson tactical pin with a flashlight on it. Let's see if we... Yeah. And I also carry 2 pins, so I do a lot of writing. And then let's get on to the firearm. I am currently carrying the Taurus TCP 380. I'm carrying it in a Black Hawk inside the pocket holster. I do believe it's a size number 1. Yes, right there for you. And I carry the spare mag with me. That is a good feature with the Kel-Tec. It comes with, or not Kel-Tec, I'm sorry, the Taurus TCP. It comes with 2 magazines. I got it loaded with some PMC Starfires. Let's see if we can't get that tip in to focus in. There you go. These are 95 grain hollow points. These are great little rounds to carry in your 380. Powerball is another good one. I just don't want to spend $30 on a box of ammo. $20 is a lot when you're talking about $1 a bullet in such a small gun. But that is my EDC for right now, and thank you guys for watching.